After the age of 50, your body quietly reduces production of synovial fluid by nearly 40%. Synovial fluid is the natural lubricant that allows your joints to glide smoothly. When it declines, your joints do not simply become inflamed. They begin to dry out from the inside. By 65, many adults have lost nearly half of the natural cushioning between their bones. That grinding sound in your knees, the stiffness in your fingers, the deep ache in your hips when you stand up in the morning, these are not random signs of aging. They are signs of joint dehydration and cartilage breakdown. Most advice focuses only on inflammation. Doctors recommend glucosamine, turmeric, or anti-inflammatory medication. These may reduce discomfort temporarily, but they rarely address declining joint lubrication or the enzyme activity that accelerates cartilage damage. I have worked with adults over 55 for years, and I consistently see one pattern. When we restore lubrication and support cartilage repair at the same time, mobility improves far faster than people expect. The body still knows how to heal. It simply needs the right raw materials. There is also an age-related enzyme called 15-PGDH that increases over time. This enzyme interferes with tissue repair. Think of it as a demolition crew working against your body's construction team. If you do not slow it down, your joints struggle to rebuild no matter how many supplements you take. The good news is that certain natural drinks can support three critical processes: a restore synovial fluid production, a stimulate cartilage repair cells, a reduce destructive enzyme activity. Not all drinks work equally well. I rank them from least effective to most powerful based on research, clinical evidence, and practical experience. Drink number 8. Apple cider vinegar and turmeric water. Apple cider vinegar provides mild anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammatory markers. However, absorption remains low without fat and black pepper. Most people use too little pepper or use too much and irritate their stomach lining. Results remain modest. This drink may help maintain baseline comfort, but it does not significantly rebuild lubrication. Score 2 out of 10. Drink number 7. Lemon ginger honey water. Ginger blocks inflammatory pathways similar to mild pain relievers. It can reduce joint pain gradually. However, it does not directly stimulate synovial fluid production. If you boil ginger for too long, you degrade its active compounds. Use warm water instead of boiling water and drink it fresh. This drink works gently, but progress remains slow. Score 3 out of 10. Drink number 6. Green tea with lemon. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound that protects cartilage cells from breakdown. Lemon improves absorption and supports collagen formation. 3 to 4 cups daily may reduce cartilage degradation markers. However, caffeine can disrupt sleep, increase heart rate, and raise blood pressure in older adults. Green tea protects joints but does not aggressively restore lubrication. Score 4 out of 10. Drink number 5. Fresh ginger and turmeric tea with coconut oil. When you combine fresh ginger and turmeric correctly, they work synergistically. Together, they calm inflammatory signaling more effectively than either alone. Add a small amount of coconut oil because curcumin dissolves in fat. Without fat, your body eliminates much of it unused. This blend can noticeably reduce stiffness within days if prepared properly. Score 6 out of 10. Drink number 4. Homemade bone broth. Real bone broth made from slow-simmered joints and marrow bones provide collagen peptides, glycine, and minerals that directly support cartilage structure. In my experience, adults who drink 1 cup daily often report less grinding within 2 weeks. Bone broth provides structural building blocks rather than just symptom relief. Simmer bones for 12 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to extract minerals. Score 8 out of 10. Drink number 3. Ceylon cinnamon tea with raw honey. Ceylon cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which may help regulate age-related enzyme activity, including 15-PGDH. This supports tissue regeneration rather than just reducing pain. Use true Ceylon cinnamon, not cashew, to avoid excessive coumarin intake. Steep 1 stick for 10 minutes and add a small amount of raw honey after cooling slightly. Score 8.5 out of 10. Drink number 2. Unsweetened tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice delivers high levels of anthocyanins. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and lower uric acid levels, which can damage cartilage over time. Many adults report improved morning mobility within 1 week. It remains gentle on digestion and does not irritate the stomach like heavy spice blends. Drink 8 ounces daily. Choose unsweetened juice only. Score 9 out of 10. Drink number 1. Fresh orange, grapefruit, and banana smoothie. This simple smoothie outperforms most supplements because it supports joint hydration directly. Citrus fruits contain naringin and related flavonoids. These compounds help protect hyaluronic acid, a key component of synovial fluid. When you preserve hyaluronic acid, you preserve lubrication. Banana provides magnesium, which supports hyaluronic acid synthesis. This combination supports both protection and production of joint fluid at the same time. Blend: 1 whole orange, half a grapefruit, 1 banana, 8 ounces of water. Drink it fresh on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Many adults report smoother movement within days and measurable flexibility improvements within 1 month when consumed consistently. Score 10 out of 10. 30-day joint restoration protocol. Morning: drink the citrus smoothie on an empty stomach. Afternoon or evening: add either bone broth or Ceylon cinnamon tea. 3 to 4 times per week. Include unsweetened tart cherry juice. Avoid drinking these with heavy meals. Do not add dairy to the smoothie because calcium can interfere with flavonoid absorption. If you take medications, especially statins or blood pressure drugs, consult your doctor before consuming grapefruit regularly. Consistency determines results. Your joints cannot rebuild in 3 days. They respond to steady daily input. Joint decline after 50 is common, but it is not automatic. Your body still repairs cartilage and produces lubrication when you supply the correct nutrients. Most modern diets lack these compounds. Previous generations consumed bone broth, fresh citrus, and real spices regularly. We replace them with processed foods and artificial beverages. You are not broken. Your inputs changed. Correct the inputs and your body responds. Commit to 30 days. Track your mobility. Notice the difference in how you stand, walk, and climb stays. Your joints want to move freely again. Give them what they need and let them do their job.